In this video, I will show you how to use the voice changer feature on TikTok. First, you want to launch open the TikTok app. Make sure to log into your account. Once you have logged in, you want to tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen to create a new video. Now you can either record a new video or upload one from your gallery. Once you have finished recording or uploading your video, tap on the checkmark option. Here on the right hand side, look for the voice option. If you don't see it immediately, tap on the arrow icon, then select voice. TikTok will display a list of available voice effects. Tap on any effects to preview how it sounds, then choose the one that you want to apply to your video. If you want to add narration instead, you can use the voiceover or record feature, then record your own audio. After you have recorded that, you can also add voice effects over here. Once you're happy with the result, you can continue editing your video and then add all the important details. After that, you can post it. In this way, you can easily use voice changer feature on TikTok. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.